In the vast and mysterious depths of our oceans, the Manta Ray glides with an effortless grace, its wide wings cutting through water as it elegantly soars through its liquid realm. This elegance and efficiency has inspired engineers in both China and the United States to model their latest unmanned submersible vehicles after this majestic sea creature. Let's delve deeper into the specifics of why the Manta Ray's design is so advantageous for submersible vehicles. The Manta Ray's body shape, known as a batoid shape, is characterized by a flat, diamond-like body with wide pectoral fins that extend outwards. This unique structure allows the Manta Ray to achieve what engineers refer to as dynamic lift. As the Manta Ray moves through water, its body shape creates an upward force that counteracts its weight, allowing it to maintain depth or rise through the water column without expending much energy. This principle is akin to how airplane wings generate lift, and it's incredibly beneficial for submersible vehicles that need to conserve energy during long missions. Furthermore, the edges of a Manta Ray's fins have evolved to be flexible and can curl upwards. This feature creates vortices along the edges which enhance lift and thrust while reducing drag. For submersibles, mimicking this edge design means improved propulsion efficiency and better handling at various speeds and orientations. The skin of a Manta Ray also plays a role in its hydrodynamic prowess. It's covered in tiny dermal denticles which reduce turbulence across its body, allowing for smoother flow of water. This not only contributes to lower drag but also reduces noise, a critical factor for stealth and military applications. Lastly, the Manta Ray's ability to perform somersaults demonstrates its agility and flexibility. It can make sharp turns and even swim upside down with ease. Engineers are interested in replicating these movements to enhance the maneuverability of submersible vehicles, especially when navigating through complex underwater terrains or during search and rescue operations where precision is key. In essence, the choice of the Manta Ray as a model for unmanned submersible vehicles is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Its form and function provide a blueprint for creating machines that are not only efficient and adaptable but also harmonious with their environment, a pinnacle of biomimetic design in action. In conclusion, the decision to model unmanned submersible vehicles after the Manta Ray is rooted in a deep appreciation and understanding of nature's designs. The Manta Ray shape offers hydrodynamic efficiency, maneuverability, stealth, and stability, all essential qualities for underwater exploration and operations. As these vehicles dive into the depths, they carry with them a piece of the natural world's genius, proving once again that sometimes, the best inspiration comes from looking at the wonders around us.